Hello there. In this video, we will present the structure and analysis of the profit and loss statement. Here, we demonstrate the structure of the profit and loss statement. This is the plan version 1, which we designed in a closed system. From the sales volumes at the product and partner level, combined with the related sales prices, bill of material quantities, and procurement prices, we can break this down and examine in detail, for example, the analytics of the domestic sales core activity. We can see the account mapping set up in the system's dimension tables. On one hand, there is a product side setting where we assign general ledger accounts to products in the product master data. On the other hand, partners determine whether it is a third country, domestic, or European Union partner. The matrix of these two factors determines which line of the income statement a given item will be recorded on. When broken down item by item, we can filter the domestic sales core activity and get back the total value of 38 million. We can detail this item by item at the product level and, by expanding the columns, see it at the partner level analytically. This is our total revenue. Using the pivot table, we can move this category down into our rows. The result hierarchy can be expanded to multiple levels of depth to see exactly which general ledger account and which product's value is being recorded. Another view is when we filter at the article level. We can select any product, and in the rows, we see the values calculated by the system based on the primary plan inputs and calculations in the income statement. This can also be expanded to include partners, at least on the revenue side, while costs and other items are shown in an aggregated manner. In addition to these primary direct costs, we can also show indirect costs. By selecting the movement type named Allocated Costs, the product will receive many additional costs, and we get a final margin. In this context, we can say that the ABUX cost allocation solution can be parameterized and customized by controllers. The entire data warehouse can be used to create cost allocation rules, where the controller can pair the cost item they want to allocate with the driver and the cost allocation rule, utilizing the system's multidimensional nature. This means that the system can allocate costs along any dimension, even through multiple interdependent stages, which is part of the system. So, not only product partner dimensions, but also machines, people, cost centers, warehouses, and any other relevant dimensions can be included in the allocation rules. The result is that indirect costs can be allocated to the product level, even if they were not initially planned there. This completes the entire process that starts with the plan input, and the outcome we want to see is whether our product and partner are profitable for the company in production and sales. Thanks for taking the time to watch our videos. If you want to explore further, feel free to visit our website or watch more content on our YouTube channel. Have a nice day!